Today I'm going to be trying out a wig and I'm a newcomer to this, so we will see how it goes. I love the beautiful box that this comes in, and it says it's 100% human hair. That is very impressive. So I didn't do anything with my hair, just left it as it was. And I am going to try this on a couple of different days. So just getting started with the initial unboxing. I'll show you how it comes out of the box. So, all right, so that's in there. I believe this goes on the head to get all of the original head hair out of the way, and so that it looks like a flawless finish. This feels funny, but I just wanted to see if somebody was just trying without any practice, without reading any reviews or any tips, how it would turn out. And then I will actually practice to get good at it. I'm going to try just twisting my hair up. I think that I could try a different technique to make it more smooth so that it's more flat across the back, but maybe this will add volume. We'll see. I see that there is a hairnet as part of the packaging. That kept everything in place in transit. The style is BBWH New Angelica. The color is P4/30. All right, looks like we have the bangs here. Again, just gonna tuck this and just see on my first attempt how I do. I didn't remember this from the product page, but it has these little hair clips. They kind of appear like bobby pins, but if you're familiar with that style of a clip. And then there is a strap that is kind of like a bra strap for cinching. And I'm gonna bring that up close. That's fun for something different. Okay, I'm gonna see with just some adjusting, how will this be? I'm feeling in the back to see if I'm close to center. I'm just gonna sweep the bangs off, but again, we'll try them. We'll try it in a different way, with the bangs showing a little more. Fun. Oh, it's a lot more volume than I would have. It's definitely fun to just kind of feel it and get a sense for it. Wow, I can tell that it's human hair. I can tell to the touch, for sure. Oh, okay. Up close I can see better how I'm doing there. I'll try it with a few different looks too, but we'll see how it goes. What do you think?